Hi, my name is Gladys with the City of Sarasota Parks and Recreation District. Today's craft is going to be basketball medallions. The materials you'll need is a paper plate, coffee filter, cup of water, a lid. This lid came from a Pringles can, so you can use any lid you have. Paintbrush, Sharpie, washable marker, scissors, glue, and string. First, we're going to draw our basketball. You'll start by placing the coffee filter on the plate and the lid in the center of the coffee filter. Next, you'll take your Sharpie and outline your lid. Now we're going to make the lines for the basketball. From here, we're going to color in each section. Then we'll take our paintbrush, dip it in our cup of water, and spread the color. Now remember, you have to color in each section of the basketball until it is all completed. Now once you're done, make sure you hang it up to dry. Once it's dried, you're going to start to cut out your basketball. Now we are going to glue our basketball to our lid. Then you're going to cut a hole or punch a hole through your basketball so that we can tie it for the medallion. Once you have your hole punched, you can put the string through and tie it. And you can either hang it up or wear it around your neck. Thanks for joining us today. Don't forget to join us every day on social media.